Today, I'm going to try and turn one of my baby blankets into a part of my suit. Now, you may be asking,
why are you doing this?
So, I have Raynos, and every time I get a little chilled, my fingers and toes turn
different colors.
And that's a problem.
Because I could lose my fingers and toes.
So, I'm literally doing everything possible to, stay warm. And that's when I spotted my baby blanket. And that's when I thought, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I had my baby blanket a part of my clothing? First off, it's cozy, it's warm, it's sentimental, and maybe I could find a way to make it look classy. Maybe add it to a part of my suit. So after sketching out some ideas, it was time to get to work.
Presenting the final outfit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're taking lead what I'm seeing right now. Incoming Australian zone. Maybe she's getting warmed up.
Hey, yeah.
It feels good,
Being
man.
warm.
It feels good, right? Alright, yo. I'm in the light at the end of the tunnel. Paper stacks, yeah, I got them in the bundles. Harry Potter breaking bread with the muggles. They said I wouldn't make it, now they looking puzzled. They said I wouldn't take it, I to go and hustle. Get the bag, it ain't never get it from the bottom.
So give me a thumbs up if you think I pulled this look off.
And if you liked this video, you might like when I tried the goth style for the first time.
Thanks for watching, and extra thanks if you're subscribed.